Hello, Metricooler. It's clear that consistency is critical to success on social networks. But of course, if you live surrounded by posts, carousels, reels, TikTok, shorts, and an eternal list of new formats and platforms, you know that managing a content calendar is a job that needs a balancer. Luckily, you have Metricool, your partner for making scheduling all your social media content a breeze. And with the Metricool scheduler, you can schedule your content for months in just hours. We'll tell you how to do it step by step. Before you get started, make sure that all the social networks you use and want to post on are connected to Metricool. We will leave an article in the description explaining how to do so. If you already have your accounts connected, let's get into it. First, access the Metricool scheduler in the planning section of the main menu. Once you're here, click on Create a New Post. As you can see, you have everything you need to create a post on any social network you have connected with Metricool and in the formats of every social network. Select the social networks you want to share the post to. No, it doesn't matter that each one has its own rules because you can adapt to each one. Add the content of the posts, the image or video, the copy, the hashtags, and if you don't have any images prepared, relax. From the planner, you can use a bank of images to enrich your content. Then you can follow the first step mentioned of the planning process. Now you can optimize your post to adjust it to the parameters of the different social networks in which you want to publish to through the different tabs of social networks. On the right, you can see how the post will look across each platform, both on the desk and mobile versions. If you already have your post ready for each social network, let's get down to work with the last step. Select the time and day you want to schedule this post. We know what you're thinking, what do I do if I want them to be published at different times? When you click save, you will find your individual scheduled posts in the calendar, so just move the ones you want to change to the day and time you prefer. You can also choose the best time in your calendar per social network and move your post to the magic hour when a higher percentage of your followers are active. But what if you want to give it a final review? Well, you can save the post as a draft and retrieve it when you decide to publish it. You can also use this option to leave post pending review if you want someone else on your team to take a look at them before scheduling it. That's how easy it is to keep your social networks organized and up to date with Metricool. With Metricool, you gain time back to dedicate to your strategy, win new customers, or something as revolutionary as resting. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comments below. And as you know, for more news and social media tips, subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, Metricooler.